Welcome everyone to English Fun. In this video, I am going to describe the law of attraction of the interview board. The law of attraction is belief that positive or negative thought bring positive or negative experience into a person's life. What it is a popular concept, it is important to know that it lacks scientific evidence. Nevertheless or nonetheless, here 10 reasons often cited by proponents of the law of attraction how they believe it all. Number one, positive thinking. The law of attraction emphasizes the power of positive thinking. You have to think positively. You can draw the attention of the interviewer. When you focus on positive thought, you are more likely to attract positive experience. So, real and natural, you have to be when you are telling about the true fact. Number two, visualization. Visualizing your goal and this desire help manifest them into reality as your mind becomes more attuned to achieving them. Number three, affirmation. Repeatedly positive affirmation can program your subconscious mind to align with your desires and intention. Number four, clarity of goals. Clearly defining your goals and desires make it easier for the universe to respond and bring those desires to fruition. Number five, gratitude. Expressing gratitude for what you have can attract more positively and abundance into your life. Number six, energy and vibration. Believers suggest that everything in the universe vibrates at a certain frequency, and aligning with your thought with what you desire frequently will help attract similar energy. Number seven, letting go of resistance. Releasing resistance to negative thought and emotion is believed to allow positive energy to flow free. Number eight, action and inspired step. The law of attraction requires taking inspired action toward your goals. For example, opportunity and resource, aligning themselves with your intention. Number nine, magnetism. Some proponents describe the law of attraction as a magnetic force that draws like energies together. Number 10, belief and faith. This is one of the most important things. Having unwavering faith in the process is crucial. Is doubt and skepticism can hinder the manifestation of a desire. It is essential to approach the law of attraction with a critical mindset and understand that while it may work for some in terms of positive thinking and goal setting, it's a granted formula for achieving everything in life. Success often involves a combination of factors, including hard work, perseverance, and external circumstances. Thanks everyone for being with me.